Okay guys, very big but small issue. Luckily I bought gear oil for the front end. So I went to put the axle in and this is what I saw. So the first one is the sleeve that lines it all up. That one wasn't out of whack until I pulled the cover off on the other side. But the gear inside there was not wanting to line up properly, and it was just floating in there. So I gotta go, and I went and pulled the front diff fluid. It's draining right now. I'm gonna go back there and correct it, and while my wife shoves the drive shaft in, or the other way around, whichever way works. So yeah, fun guys. Unexpected issues, but we're working through them here. Okay guys, so this is what we're dealing with. This is the axle coming in, and I already fixed the issue. This right here is a sleeve with gears on the inside, and then there's gears on it right there, as you can see. And this right here is a sleeve that slides on top of this, like right there. And it had fallen, like it just did. And I can't put it back on one-handed because I'm showing you guys. So see right there, this is a sleeve, it slides on there, and then the axle should just slide right into it. So that's what we're dealing with here, and why I had to drain the whole thing, because if I would have known this, I probably could have done it without draining the whole thing. But luckily I ordered oil just in case for this, and was wanting to change it anyways, so I guess that's a plus. So yeah guys, fun. Okay guys, I got her all installed. She's all put back together. Truck was put back together on both sides. One thing might not be put together yet. Yeah, it's not put back together yet because I had the oil for it, and I went and got, I was already pre-prepared, and I said I'm gonna put the good stuff in it this time. Spent like 80 bucks on Amazon oil, or on AMSOIL. Spent like 80 bucks on it. And I said, I took out the actuator, whatever, that's what that was that slid off back there. The underneath part that slid off with that gear, that is what disengages and engages the four-wheel drive on this thing. I think it's cool. I've never seen how that worked. I'm just discovering stuff as I go on the truck. But that is what that was. It slid off. And then I had to get back in there to put it back on and all that fun stuff. And there is no gasket on that door where the actuator slider is. And I'm like, there's no gasket on it, but it was sealed perfectly fine. But now I don't want to put it back on and it not be sealed, and maybe out 80 bucks of AMSOIL to have to drain it back out to put an actual gasket on it, or however much would drain out of that. But still, I don't want to be out that when I can spend $6 on a gasket. So that video will be coming soon. I'll put the gasket on it, and then we'll go on a test drive in this thing to see how she sounds. Can't sound much worse than that U-joint was, guys. You heard that when I was spinning it. If you guys were here in that part of the video, it sounded awful. So that was definitely what it was. I'll be doing the drive shaft. I got the parts to do it. That was more so the biggest issue. The drive shaft, I will be doing it sooner than later. I was going to do it today, but it's already starting to get late out, and it's Saturday. I was going to be able to relax. I've been working on this thing forever. I would have been able to do this, the passenger side, in probably 2.5 hours doing everything. The driver's side took me about 4 because I had never done U-joints before. But then after I had done the U-joints on that one, the passenger side, bang, bang, boom, out, good. It was all simple. So all around, it was from about 9:30 to 5, and about 45 minutes of that was dealing with that gear that it came loose. So that was fun too, guys. So yeah, it's all back together. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, it was an unexpected video. I didn't want to have to do it, but now it's all good to go, done. I'll put a link to everything that I bought on RockAuto that I've used, which was the axle bearings. They were the Moog axle bearings. I wanted to go with Moog on this. I got Moog for that. I got Moog for the drive shaft coming later too. Sorry for this being such a long video. I hope you tuned in for the whole thing. If you did, make sure you get down there and smash the subscribe button. We are getting so close to 500 followers, 500 subscribers, guys. I would love to get that and then smash it out to 1,000. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and get down there and smash the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day, everyone.